Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to look at 5 ways you can switch between light mode and dark mode on iPhone. Some of these methods are super handy if you don't like committing to just one and want to be able to switch between them quickly. Or maybe you want one during the day and the other at night. For this tutorial, I'm using the latest iOS 26.3 software, which I'd recommend installing if you haven't already, to ensure these steps work for you. We have another tutorial stepping through this process if you need it. I'll add the link to the description below. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Dark mode is a feature on iPhone that, when enabled, adjusts the color scheme of the user interface. Put simply, lighter colors on your screen will become darker. This applies to tinted backgrounds, widgets, menus, and more. The cooler color palette is believed to improve visibility, reduce eye strain, and even help with sleep by reducing harsh light. All right, start by opening the Settings app, which you can see on the right-hand side of my screen. Next, we'll scroll down until we find Display and Brightness. At the top of the page, you can see that Light is currently selected. By tapping on Dark, we'll see the appearance change right away. From here, we also have the option to enable automatic switching, which will automatically change between light mode and dark mode. Toggle this on, then open the Options menu. By default, this is set to Sunset to Sunrise, which means your phone will use light mode during the day and automatically switch to dark mode at night. By selecting Custom Schedule, we can set exactly when we'd like each mode to begin. In this method, we're going to use the built-in assistant Siri to switch between light and dark mode without needing to open the Settings app. Press and hold the lock button or say, "Hey Siri," to get her attention. Then say something like "Enable dark mode." Siri will make the change right away and display the button at the top of the screen. The third method also uses Siri, but let's say it's not an ideal time to be talking out loud. In 2024, Apple introduced Type to Siri with the release of iOS 18, allowing us to text back and forth with Siri. Start the chat by double-tapping at the bottom of the screen below the dock. The keyboard will appear, allowing us to ask for dark mode to be enabled, and as you can see, it is actioned right away. This method creates a shortcut to the dark mode on-off button as an icon in the control center. First, open the control center by dragging one finger down from the top right-hand corner. Next, tap the plus symbol in the top left. Now we can customize our control center by adding, removing, or rearranging icons. Tap Add Control at the bottom of the screen, then select Dark Mode. If you can't find it, try using the search bar at the top. Tap a blank area of the screen to exit edit mode. Now we've got a super handy shortcut to switch between dark and light mode from any screen. For those using newer iPhones, specifically iPhone 17, iPhone 16, and some iPhone 15s, we can assign the Action button on the left-hand side just above the volume buttons to toggle between light and dark mode. By default, this button toggles silent on and off, seeing as it replaced the original silent switch. Start by opening the Settings app. Then select Action button. From here, we can swipe through the functions that can be mapped to this button. Look for the Controls option, and then tap Choose a Control. Find and select the dark mode icon. Now we can return to the home screen and test it out. Press and hold the Action button for around 2 seconds, or until you see the notification that the setting has been changed. Let me know in the comments if you learned anything new here and what you'd like to see next.